I kind of just wanted to get out of the house today. So I impromptu drove up to my old area in Pennsylvania, Maryland. And I just got to Antique Crossroads. Today I'm going to go to a bunch of my old local spots. I'm still looking for that special something. I'm still looking for vintage Valentine's Day stuff. Let's go in and see what we can find. Now, I find stuff here from time to time. These are kind of cute. Japan, that's surprising. They looked newer almost. But $12. Again, a lot of the prices here are definitely on the higher side, which is why I don't come here on the regular. But it's been a while, so I thought I'd give it a shot. Well, it's still a lot of Christmas. However, oh my gosh, that's so cute. But it's $20.50. Napco-ware. Just because it's the Valentine's Day theme and it's in good condition, that material is usually pretty banged up. In fact, the more I look at it, the more I see what's wrong with it. We're on the right track. Yes, I remember this booth as being a little bit more on the pricey side. I had to check out this cat head, $28. Can't do anything with that. They had such fun stuff. I love that lampshade. It's just a little steep for resale. It's definitely more geared towards collectors. I've made it to my favorite little knick-knack booth. Now, I'm noticing a couple ones that I don't think were here before. First of all, I love these strawberries. This booth is pretty close to retail usually, but every once in a while they have something really special. Now, those vegetable heads, yeah, those weren't there before. And I see $20, I think. 15% off. Those look a lot like pie, PY. So they're like $17. I might actually get a better look at those. They have those unique eyes. These are pretty great too, but those are 30. I can't really figure out why those are 20. I'm not sure. I might get a better look at those. Let's see if there's anything else in here. Like, what is that the Lady in the Tramp back there? Wait a minute. Okay, so this dog set right here on the right, it's one of those ones with the hanging. That's really unique. You can't really see it because it's in this case. Those usually sell for pretty good money, and I've never seen a dog one. Yeah, there's definitely new sets in here. I might have to get a key. Oh my gosh, and the corn, those are fantastic. Oh dang, they're all like so close though that I don't want to get too crazy. Those corn are pretty great. Yeah, I don't want to spend too much, but I'm gonna have to get a key for sure because some of these I can't ignore. Well, I was snooping around to see what else I would need out of a case, and I looked down and I almost missed this. $25 and 15% off. That's really pretty. Dang, these prices are killing me. They're like reasonable, but just a little bit more than I like. I'm gonna do the math on that right quick. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and pick this up. It comes to like $21 and some change. It's really pretty. And again, where it's not one of the fabric covered ones, that satin and lace trim lining, and it's just super unique. Pink is usually a good bet. Again, if this was a red one and it was $20, I'd probably pass just because those are the ones I all have in stock right now. But pinks, lavender, blue, yellow, that's kind of what I'm really hunting for. I was like, why did I leave this mug here last time? And I'm just realizing it has a hairline crack. Unfortunately, if it didn't, I would definitely scoop this up for $10. I love the Yona originals, and this clown is hilarious. Well, on my way to the register, I'm passing one of my favorite booths. Now, this is definitely the booth I usually find the most stuff in. I've noticed the fork and spoon, $15. I'm gonna leave those. That's about what I sell those for too. Yeah, it's kind of dark over here, but I like it because there's so many things just kind of like hidden in here that it really makes you pay attention. Although today, ooh, these are cool. I think, yeah, Hazel Atlas, $10. That's super fair. Well, actually, they're $8 each because of the discount. That's really, really fair. But I'm gonna pass today, you guys. I'm being a little picky. Yo, what? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. So this is $22 and 20%. And it is Japan. I have never seen one of these with the deer on it. I'm probably just gonna get it, honestly, no matter what I see, but I think I will look it up just to be safe. Either way, with this kitschy deer, with the elongated neck especially, I do believe I could make money on it easily. It's just the fact that someone modified it that makes me a little nervous with the rhinestones, which is why I'm just kind of making sure there's not one sitting online cheap, although I doubt there is, because this is really unique. I know you guys are so used to me being super cheap, but I'm paying these prices today. I'm paying $21 for this box, and I am paying $18 for this. As soon as I started Googling, I was like, of course there's nothing like this on there. This is a gem. Oh my gosh, these are so freaking unique. I'm ecstatic. And I grabbed this one. I decided to go against a couple of like the vegetable ones or the corn just because I've seen them before. If I'm gonna pay that much, I definitely want it to be uber unique. So I got a couple sets and I'm gonna keep going. I got a hefty little bill working up. What is this box of kitschy little doll stuff? Huh. Valentine's Day. But $35 for that one, even with 20%. That's definitely about retail. Oh my gosh, I love this mirror tray. That is really pretty. I love the etching on that. Here's more of those knickerbockers. They are so stinking cute. I sold my last two that I had yesterday. Like, what about this yellow one? It's really hard to leave these. $12. I like this one. This one's really unique. But I had the other ones for so long that I'm hesitant to pick up more. Oh my gosh, this clock is so freaking cool. Misty, light, and sassy. It's only $42 too. That seems really reasonable. I have actually been in here for so much longer than I thought. Like this chalkboard piece. Let's see, what's that say? $29.95, just kidding. Can't do anything with that, that's for sure. So I definitely paid up for some stuff. I've spent $73 in there. I also was a naysayer when they said it was going to snow. I was just in there calling everybody dramatic, and it is now snowing. So I'm gonna head down the road to my next stop. I tell you what, I do not miss this. I am now at Memory Lane in Hagerstown. I'm gonna do a quick walkthrough and keep on going. The shelves here are usually where I get lucky, though I'm not seeing anything immediately. It looks like a lot of reproduction, or the couple things that I see that are older don't really impress me. Let's see what's going on down here. This looks like it's been revamped. I think it's just been moved around, honestly. Looks like a lot of the same stuff that was here the last time. Okay, but also, can we talk about how stinking cute these are? I actually saw these at Home Goods the other day. This bothers me. $9.99 and $12 retail. Yeah, I saw these at Home Goods. They were $9.99 and they had shelves full of them. Now, I remember seeing, these are new, even though they have that kitschy 50s Japan look. I remember seeing them online last year, go on eBay and Mercari for like crazy amounts. This year, not so much. I love them. I almost picked up a set for myself, but I couldn't bring myself to do it. The laundromat ones, those are fun, $10. It's about what I get for those after fees. And the it's the Berries fuzzy head. I always pick these up if they're super cheap and in good condition, but $11 is definitely retail on that. Oh my gosh, these dolls are kind of terrifying. These here are the other shelves that I usually get pretty lucky at. Here's that lamb, $15, 50%, $7.50. Not bad, but I've had it a few times. I'm really trying to go uber unique, even though a lot of these are really good deals. I'm just trying to be super picky. I love the candy container egg. But again, like I said, trying to get things I haven't seen before or haven't had before. I'm kind of a tough sell. What is this? I love the Art Nouveau portrait on that. Ah, oh my gosh. They always have such fun, kitschy little stuff in here. I mean, the cards are great, but I have so many of them. I'm kind of carded out. I'm really looking for ceramics. Over here, again, more like 70s, 80s. The pig is missing his fuzz on the top of his head and his family on chain. What's in here? Cute, but not really what I'm going for. Ooh. Lefton Nurse. I'm not into the one with the baby. This one's kind of nice, but 15, that's a little close for me. I don't think I've seen Yona originals. Clown salt and pepper shakers. Those are Yona. Yeah, that's really cool. 15, I could probably make a couple bucks off them, but not enough to justify spending that much up front. Well, I was about to walk out, and then I saw these guys. $9 and 30%. That's a definite. Those are pretty decent sellers. They usually sell pretty quick, even though I've had them before. And then these ones are Norcrest too. How much are these ones? These ones are $9. Celeries. I feel weird leaving these Norcrest ones. Maybe I should just grab them just because they have the original sticker and everything. I'm gonna get both pair. It looks like I might have picked the wrong day to do this, but I'm already out here, so I'm gonna keep going.